Did you know 2.5 quintillion bytes of data is created every day? Now run your numbers and see. You should get around 29,000 gigabytes of data generated every second. Sounds huge, right? Now what makes it more interesting is this data comes with endless possibilities and the potential to turn tables if put to proper use by investigating business patterns and user behavior. Now businesses today are continuously striving to harness actionable insights from the raw data. Hence, data science has become the hotcake in the IT world and one of the most important buzzwords across businesses and industries, and also the most sought after and promising skills of the future. Transitioning into the field of data science can be the right option if you're thinking to switch your career in 2023. On that note, hello everyone, welcome to Simplilearn. In today's video, we will learn several key concepts, skills, and steps involved in making a successful career transition into data science. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before we begin, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed already, consider getting subscribed to our channel Simplilearn to stay updated with all the latest tech content. And hit that bell icon to never miss an update from us. Data science has become an indispensable part of every industry today. Now whether it is technology, marketing, finance, healthcare, and gaming, or even other sectors like manufacturing, logistics, retail, pharmaceutical, aviation, education, etc. Data science is being leveraged to make informed decisions. In other words, you can say data-driven decisions and achieve goals to gain invaluable insights from complex data sets. So firstly, let us understand what data science is. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistics, mathematics, programming, and domain knowledge to extract meaningful insights from large and complex data sets to drive decision making and solve complex problems. It involves collecting, cleaning, analyzing, and interpreting data to uncover patterns, make predictions, and inform decision making processes. Now let us understand what is the need for data science. Now data science is essential for businesses and organizations to unlock the value of data, drive innovation, make data-driven decisions, right, and gain a competitive advantage in today's data-driven economy. Now let us take an example here. Consider airlines, which is an area where data science contributes in a big major way. Now we know flights get delayed due to weather conditions because the weather is not predicted in time and the demand of passengers is not probably seen ahead of time. For all these, you need data science. Now, there could be improper route planning and some customers might miss some flights that again needs data science, right? Similarly, it could be due to incorrect decisions in selecting the right equipment. So which plane they should fly, in which route, that's the equipment is being mentioned here. If it's not planned properly, you might end up in a situation where plane is not available. And similarly, choosing an incorrect flight might lead to unplanned delays and cancellation. Now the list goes on and on and on. So if you use data science properly, all of these, or let's say most of these problems can be avoided, and that will be help in reducing pain for both the airlines and also for the passengers. Now we can do better route planning so that there are less cancellations and less frustrated people. Now we can also use predictive analytics and predict any delays that there are so that some of them can be rescheduled ahead of time and there are no last minute hassles as well. Now data science can also be used to make promotional offers, and the last but not the least is what kind of plane should be used or different classes of planes that should be used in different routes for better performance and many more. So I hope you understood why we need data science with this example. So this is what data science equips you with. So this is what you can do with data science, right? By asking the right questions and exploring the data set and modeling that data using various algorithms in order to make a proper insights from the data and communicating with the data and finally visualizing the data into a proper manner. Let us now move ahead and see what does a data scientist or a role of a data science requires. Now, a data scientist is a professional who uses their expertise in statistics, programming, and domain knowledge to analyze and interpret complex data sets. They collect, clean, and pre-process data, apply advanced statistical techniques, and machine learning algorithms to identify patterns, extract insights, and make data-driven decisions. Now, data scientists also develop predictive models, perform data visualization, and communicate findings to stakeholders. So if you look at the flowchart here, we have data that is being taken from the real world, which is the raw data, which is being processed and analyzed, and which is in turn developed into a meaningful data in order to derive insights from it. So they work closely with cross-functional teams, let's say including software engineers, business analysts, to understand the objectives, define problems and propose data-driven solutions. Additionally, data scientists may be involved in designing experiments, conducting testing, and continuously improving the data model and the methodologies to enhance data analysis and decision-making process. So now comes the main question, right? How to transition your career into data science, or how to switch your career to data science field? Well, Don't worry, we have got you covered. Switching careers takes time and effort. Now one has to stay persistent and be open to continuous learning and embrace challenges along the way. Now, while there are opportunities, there aren't enough skilled professionals to transition into various promising roles and move the needle. While highlighting an urgent need for a skilled workforce in the field of data science, or let's say machine learning, AI, and advanced analytics to help organizations navigate through this new dynamics of business and scale up their businesses all around. While there are opportunities, there aren't enough skilled professionals to transition into various promising roles and move the needle, which highlights an urgent need for a skilled workforce in the field of AI, data science, and advanced analytics to help organizations navigate the new dynamics of businesses and scale up. So are you interested in transitioning your career into the field of data science? With the demand for data-driven decision making on the rise, it's a great time to make the switch. So here are a few things you should do to have a smooth transition from a non-tech or even a tech background to become a data scientist or excel in the field of data science. So firstly, evaluate your current skills. There are many roles within data science, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your interest and strengths. Once you have identified your ideal role, evaluate your current skills and identify the gaps you need to fill to be successful in that role. Secondly, learn the technical skills you need to transition into data science. Now, depending upon your chosen role, you may need to learn technical skills such as programming languages like Python or machine learning algorithms, data visualization techniques, and many more. So there are many online courses and resources available to help you gain these skills. Gain the soft skills. You need to transition your career into data science. Now, in addition to technical skills, soft skills are also very important. Now, data scientists need soft skills such as communication, problem solving, and project management. Developing these skills will help you be successful in your career. Put your work into production. Now, what I mean by that is, once you've gained technical and soft skills, it's important to apply them to real-world projects. This will help you build a portfolio of work that you can showcase to your potential employers. Next, gather domain knowledge. Now, data science is often applied to specific industries such as healthcare, finance, marketing, or so and so. Now, in order to be successful, it's important to understand the unique challenges and opportunities within your chosen industry. Showcase your skills. Now, as you complete projects and gain experience, create a portfolio and online presence that showcases your work. This could include a personal website, blog, or social media presence. Power of networking. Now, building a network of professionals within the data science community can be incredibly helpful in finding job opportunities. Getting feedback on your work and staying up to date on industry trends can be a strength for you. And finally, search for right job opportunities. Now, once you've gained the skills and experience necessary to transition into the field of data science, it's time to start applying for jobs. Use your portfolio and network to help you find opportunities, and don't be afraid to take on freelancing or volunteer projects to gain more experience. So these are some of the skills that are needed in order to transition into data science, which you have to keep in mind. So here are some of the prerequisites that are needed if you are thinking to transition into the field of data science. Firstly, you have to be equipped with machine learning algorithms. So a fundamental understanding of machine learning algorithms, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning techniques, is important for building predictive models and extracting insights from data. Secondly, strong quantitative and analytical skills. Data science involves working with large data sets and applying statistical and mathematical techniques to derive insights. Strong qualitative and analytical abilities are essential if you want to thrive in the field of data science. Statistics. Understandings of statistics and probability is also very much important for a data scientist. Data scientists need a strong grasp of statistical concepts and probability in order to make informed decisions, validate results, and assess any uncertainties in the data. Proficiency in computer programming. Now, proficiency in programming languages such as Python or R is crucial for data manipulation, analysis, and building predictive models. Understanding SQL for database querying is also beneficial, which is required if you want to become an expert in data science, as it allows them to effectively store, retrieve, and manipulate data. Knowledge of database design principles help data scientists create efficient and scalable database schemas. Understanding concepts like normalization, denormalization, indexing, database optimization techniques can significantly improve the performance of data. So the field of data science is rapidly evolving, so the mindset of continuous learning and keeping up with the latest tools, techniques, and research is crucial for staying relevant and adapting to new challenges. So let's now discuss some of the tools that you need to master for data science. Firstly, machine learning. Skills that are required in machine learning are Python, algebra, ML algorithms, statistics, and the tools that you need to master are Spark MLab, Mahout, Azure ML Studio. Data analysis. Skills required in data analysis are R, Python, statistics, and the tools that you need to master are SAS, Jupyter, RStudio, MATLAB, Excel, RapMiner, and etc. Data warehousing. Data warehousing is also another important aspect of data science, and the skills that are needed are ETL, SQL, Hadoop, Apache Spark, and etc. And the tools that you need to master are Informatica, Talent, AWS Redshift, and many more training tools. And finally, data visualization. Learning data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, Jupyter, Cognos, Raw can help you improve skills in R and other Python libraries, which will help a lot in your data science journey. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any further queries regarding any of the topics or information covered in this tutorial, feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be more than happy to help resolve all your queries at the earliest. Stay tuned to the channel for more such amazing content. Until next time, thank you, stay safe, and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.